All right, so if you are all tuned in yesterday to the press conference hosted by the Prime Minister and including a number of our officials, namely our Minister of Health and Wellness, Chris Tufton, you have known that the government is relaxing the St. Catherine lockdown. Never said gone totally, it's just relaxing it, but they're tightening the island-wide curfew. You've heard it, the complaints about the 2-day shopping restrictions. That's been a problem. So the measure, they've moved that to more days, I believe. And the all-island curfew measures have been adjusted to a 12-hour window for the next 14 days, beginning at 6 p.m. tomorrow. This is an additional 4 hours to the existing curfew. All BPOs have been closed for 14 days. Yeah. So given that one has given us 122 of the total 223 cases.
Yeah. So when the headline says they've relaxed the St. Catherine lockdown, St. Catherine will actually remain on lockdown for another what? Because they were supposed to have, the lockdown was to have ended today. It's been extended for another week. Is it? A week or two?
I think tomorrow. Next 7 days. Yeah, okay. I think it was 14 in the initial instance. 7, and then he's added another 7. That's what you're saying, Kian?
Okay. It's not here
so they said the borders remain closed, but as of tomorrow, residents will have more days on which they can shop for essentials. So St. Catherine will observe the same curfew hours as the rest of the island, which is 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. The shopping days are on the screen. Sunday, no shopping. Stores are going to restock, so no movement. Monday, shopping between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Mr. Prime Minister, you tell me this like 7 o'clock in the evening when Monday was done. Tuesday, no shopping, no movement. So no shopping or movement today. Tomorrow, so none Wednesday either?
Wednesday and Friday you have shopping days.
Oh, that's funny.
So
That's what I was asking her based on the graphics.
Today
I don't think Wednesday was on the graphics.
Come again, Kay. Sunday, no shopping because the stores are restocking. Monday, 8 and 4, shopping. Tuesday, no shopping, no movement. Wednesday, you shop between 8 and 4. Thursday, you restock. Friday, shopping again. And Saturday, shopping again.
All right, so apologies. Wednesday is missing from the graphics, as I was saying.
Okay.
But you shop on Wednesday.
Right.
As well.
So Wednesday, Friday, Saturday.
Between
and restock
8 and
Sunday.
4.
Right.
And they've relaxed the shopping by name as well.
Yes. So no more. I really didn't know how that was going to work.
It could have worked.